Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox something that I purchased from Amazon in Japan. So I got some TRD stuff, some accessories. Yep, so I'm here in the garage again doing laundry. So come on, let's unbox this one out. Not sponsored though. Alright. Okay, so let's unbox this. These are just pure accessories, so it's not really gonna do anything. It's mostly on visual, so cosmetic stuff. So yep. So if you can see, if it'll focus. There. So what do we have here? Yeah. Some TRD carbon fiber plate for maintenance plate. Just for change oil. You can stick this one out in your engine bay if you want to stick it inside of your car. I'm planning to stick this one out under the hood. Wait. I can open it. Let me just remove it. Dang, Japanese plastic, so strong. Okay. So I got this. It's a TRD oil record plate. So I got two of them actually. So, and these are original TRD accessories. So if you can see there, Toyota customizing and development made in Japan. These are actual carbon fiber. So alright, so let's check the other one. Another one says TRD. These are actually not made for the CHR. They're actually made for the Toyota Hi-Ace. That's the van. But, come on. It's gonna work. Let me show this to you. Just enjoy the view of my engine bay. So, while I struggle removing this. Okay, so what do we have here? Once we open this. Here they are. Here they are. So these are actually scuff plates or door sill. Yep. So let's check the actual item. Man, these are nice. Alright, so Come on, let's install them out. I love my engine bay, so clean. Okay, so we're gonna install this one out in here. So I marked this one out with the tape. So this is my mark. It's the last hole or last dot or indentation in there. So yeah, I'll just put it in there. So let's stick this one out. So I hope this one sticks well. So I already wiped this one out with alcohol just to make sure that there's no more oil. So I hope this one will stick well because it's cold right now. So I think I'm gonna start with the other side. Oh no, I'm gonna start with that. Okay. So this is very easy. So I cannot really see. I think it's straight. So just apply pressure. I'm rubbing it. Alright. Well, I don't know. Might mess it up or what, but the reason why I'm rubbing this one out so that it can actually stick and it's gonna heat up the adhesive somehow. So, alright, well, let's remove the cover. Let's pack this. Good, good. Yeah. Oh, it's actually, yeah, textured. This one looks good. Okay, then let's just remove this. Oops. Okay, and just do the same on the other side and you're done. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the oil maintenance plate in here. So let me just get it. So here we have it, the TRD oil record plate. So I wiped down this with alcohol, so it's gonna be in there. So if I'm changing the oil or if the mechanic at the Toyota dealership changed the oil, he can actually see it in there. So but I don't know if they're gonna write in here, but it's okay if they don't. It's just for cosmetic purposes. So just showing off the engine. So let me just peel this one out. I actually put this one out on top of the dryer because I'm doing laundry So just to heat up the adhesive on it, just to activate, to make it stick a little bit more. Now I cannot remove this. Let me, there you go. So I'm really having a hard time. There you go. This is real carbon fiber. So there, here's a tin carbon fiber. So let's just put it in here. Is it straight? Is it straight? Nope. It's not straight. Dang it. Oh my gosh. Fix it. I'm sorry if you were just looking at my head right now. There you go. So I'm just gonna apply pressure to it. I hope this one will not fly out. Yep, looks good. Looks good. So let me wipe it. Applying pressure. Does it look straight? I guess it's straight. There you have it. So let me just grab this camera and I'll show you a close-up look. And there you have it. Looks good. So I have a TRD in there, so my oil cap is also a legit TRD. My Cusco strut tower bar, if it will focus. And then my intake, of course. Just watch my videos if you haven't watched them. I have a video installation of this stuff in here. So yep. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So watch out for some cinematics. So good.